So, how to be confident on camera? Well, first of all, just be yourself. Don't worry too much about what people think, because to me, it doesn't really matter what they think. I mean, I can do what I want, say what I want, well, within limitations on here at least, but I'm not too worried about what people think. So, first thing is just be yourself. Don't try to be somebody that you're not. Don't try to be someone that everyone else is being. And don't do it because you think that, hey, I have to be this because, you know, if I'm not that type of person, they won't watch my videos. Or if I'm not this type of person, that, you know, they won't find me interesting. I mean, right now I'm doing this video and my windows are wide open. There's people walking by, they look up here, and I don't really care. It doesn't matter to me because I'm just being myself. I've been out in public and I've been working on videos and people just look at me and I don't really think anything of it. I don't really care because I'm doing what I enjoy. I'm doing what I love, and as an artist, that's all that matters to me. So that's one thing. The second thing is if you're still having problems with getting in front of a camera, talking, confidence, is just kind of work on your grooming. You know, shower or something at least. I guess you could start with that. Maybe shower. I don't know. Some people need a shower, but you can start there. Get a haircut. Anything really. Just do something to help you with look, so you feel more confident about how you look, and it'll help you when you're going out in the world too. You know, if say you meet somebody you like, or you make a new friend, and you know you don't shower, and here you are, your hair looks like you haven't cleaned it in a year, then it's going to be kind of difficult for people to have any interest in wanting to talk to you, because they're going to be uncomfortable getting close to you because maybe you smell bad. Who knows? I don't know. But I guess those are two tips I have. I think another one would be not worrying so much about what people think, and that goes along with just being yourself. Because if you're not truly being yourself, and then you're friends with that person, you go to hang out with them, things aren't going to work out, because then they're gonna see that you're acting completely different, and they're gonna be like, well, what's wrong with you? Because I used to be, camera shy, or to be shy to get in front of an audience of people, and that was many years ago. I think a lot of us had that problem when we were young, when we were kids. And I remember when the teacher would have us go to do something in front of the class, I would get all nervous and scared, and I didn't want to do it. But after a while, it didn't bother me as much. But anyways, my point is just be yourself, because when you're just yourself, you don't have to worry about trying to change that when you're on camera or anywhere else, and that'll help you with your confidence, because then your confidence with that is you're being confident with who you are. So, and rule number 4, I would say, is to not compare yourself to other people. Don't worry so much about what they're doing. So what if they're a millionaire? So what if they're taller than you, they're more attractive, or whatever it is? It doesn't really matter. Just do what you enjoy and be yourself. And the people that will have interest in you as a person, those people will come into your life. And there's no point in having friends of people that are not going to add any value to your life, and you're trying to be somebody that you're not. So, and point number 5, I would say, to help you with being in front of a camera and everything, is just practice. And well, don't practice when you're driving or anything. Don't do that. Safety here. Just set up a camera, practice doing it. If you want to start, don't have the camera on. Just have the camera off and just look at it and practice talking into it. I'm still trying to get used to it a little bit, because I'm new to doing this, but I don't really have any issues with confidence or nothing like that, and so it's not as difficult. But as I was saying, just get a camera, set it up with it off, practice looking at it. And another thing that goes along with that is, if you have a camera set up and you're talking in front of it and you're on video, is don't be looking at the viewfinder, because I have a viewfinder on the right side and you can see me if I look at it, which is right there. Because I'm not looking at the camera, it's not as personal. So make sure you're looking straight at the camera and just be yourself and follow those 5 tips, and I think everything will work out just perfect for you. So thank you for watching, and if you have any more suggestions about how to be confident on camera, just let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out links. And thank you all for watching, and have a good day.